Hello children, welcome to today's session. Okay, I hope everyone completed your home fund and today we can go to the session. Okay, everyone take your Max Studio. Take pencil along with you. Now take book page number 45 ma. See here. Rita spotted 6 monkeys near a tree. Okay. So Rita spotted 6 monkeys near a tree and she then spotted 5 monkeys near another tree. Okay. Yes. So she spotted 5 monkeys near the tree, another tree. And let us find the total number of monkeys she spotted. So how many total number of monkeys she spotted we want to find. So for that, first we can group. So what we said, if you want to add the numbers more than 10 means you want to group as tens and ones. Okay. First let us count how many total number of monkeys are there. Shall we count? Yes, count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here totally 11 monkeys are there. Now we are going to group these monkeys as tens and ones. Okay. See in your picture it says they have given. First let us form a group of 10 monkeys. You want to count 10 monkeys and you want to form a group. See in your picture they have formed. In this group only 10 monkeys will be there. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they have separately marked these 10 monkeys. So they have grouped as 10 and 1 monkey lives separately. This means that ones. Okay, so totally we have how many ones and how many tens Kana? Already we have learnt in the second lesson, isn't it? Yes, tell me. So ones means how many monkeys? Ones. How many ones we have? Only 1 monkey. So 1 ones. And how many tens we have? 1 tens. So listen. Ones, tens. So 1 ones we have, 1 tens we have. So totally how much we have? 11 monkeys. This is the answer. Okay. Either you can add using addition fact. Otherwise you can group as tens and ones. See this one lives separately. This we call it as a ones and these grouped as tens. Okay. So like this also you can find. See here. We now have one group of 10 monkeys and one single monkey. So one single monkey is there and 10 group of monkeys are there. So this makes it 1 tens and 1 ones. This only I said no. 1 ones and 1 tens that they have mentioned here. Okay. Yes. Now see here. So here near the tree, Rita spotted 6 monkeys. This is grouping method. Okay, this what we call it as a grouping method. And we can do by this grouping method. Also this we call it as a addition fact. I said no. This we call it as a what ma? Yes, very good. Addition fact. So this 6 monkeys, Rita spotted 6 monkeys near a tree. No, this 6 monkeys we are writing first. And this 5 monkeys near another tree we are writing in the second number. So in ones place you are writing 6 means in tens place you don't have any number. It means that 0. You want to write 0 like this. Okay. And the second tree also only 5 monkeys near another tree. 5 monkeys are there and you are writing 5 and in tens place there is no number. You want to put 0. And you want to do the addition. How you will do the addition Kana? Yes, shall we do? 6 in the mind? Yes. Leave the 5 fingers in your finger. Leave 5 fingers, ma. Yes, leave 5 fingers. After 6, 6 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 will be coming in that one you have to write here and another one you want to write in this box. Okay, in tens place. And 1 in the mind. Okay, here there are no numbers. Okay, what I said already in last session, I have teach if you add any number with 0 means the same answer only will be coming. So 1 plus 0, 1 only. Okay, so 1 in the mind. Okay, here there is no numbers, so 1 is the answer you want to write as it is. Okay, yes, so when the total is more than 10, we regroup ones into tens and ones. Okay, if when the total is more than 10 means we can group as tens and ones. That will be easy for us to learn. We can to add. It will be easy. Okay, yes. See now listen. Addition fact. We can see some example sums. Okay. See the first sum. 3 plus 2. Okay, so here plus means what is it? Addition. 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 This means that we are going to add. Okay, yes. Now you want to draw the object for the number 3. You can draw any objects. See here I have drawn 3 stars. Okay, so the number 3, like that we want to draw 3 stars. Plus here I have given the number 2. So I have drawn 2 stars. So totally count how many stars we have. You want to add. So addition means see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Isn't it? 5 stars we have. So we have 5 stars. Okay. You can add like this also. Okay. Yes. Now see the second sum. Then have given the number 7 plus 6. Okay. So 7 plus 6 means for the number 7 I have drawn the objects like this. I have drawn flowers. 7 flowers I have drawn, and for the number 6 I have drawn 6 flowers. Okay. So you can add. How you will add? See, you can count. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So totally how much? Totally means you want to add these 2 flowers. So totally how much? 13 flowers. Okay, so 13 is the answer. So totally 13 flowers we have. In last session, what we have seen, children? If it is greater than 10 means, okay, see here, 13. If it is greater than 10 means we can group this as tens and ones, isn't it? Shall we group? Yes, come. We can group as tens and ones. Group as tens means you want to count 10. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now you want to draw a group like this. Okay. So these flowers belongs to one group, and these 3 flowers we left separately. So this we call it as a tens, and this we call it as a ones. Shall we count how many flowers is there? 10 flowers should be there. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 flowers are there. Okay, so we grouped as tens and ones. So how many tens we have? How many ones we have? Yes, very good. So 3 ones, 1 tens. Okay, yes. So here you want to write ones tens. Above the numbers, you want to mention ones tens. And how many ones we have? 3 ones. And how many tens we have, children? 1 tens. Okay, like this you can group as tens and ones. That will be easy for you. Now see here. See, in this sum we have grouped, no, the same sum, okay, by grouping we have completed. The same sum we can do in the addition fact. So addition fact means, see, 7 plus 6 they have given. I have written in this addition fact. So in ones place only we have number. In tens place we don't have number. So I have put 0 here in tens place because we don't have number. That's why I have put 0 in tens place for these 2 numbers. How we will add, children? You can use this method also. Otherwise grouping method also you can do. Okay, for addition. 7 in the mind, 6 in the finger. Yes. So after 7, you have to leave 6 fingers. Everyone leave 6 fingers in your hand. Yes. Now count along with me. 7 in the mind, 6 in the fingers. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 6 fingers, 13. Okay. Yes. You want to write here 13, 3 in one's place, and so 7 in the mind, 6 in the finger. Everyone leaves 6 fingers. Okay. You want to count that 6 fingers. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 3 you want to write in one's place and 1 you have to write in the carryover, this box. Okay. Yes. Now 1 in the mind, 0 in the fingers. 0 in the fingers means no fingers you want to leave. Okay. Don't leave fingers. So 0 means don't have value. Okay. So you want to write this one as it is here. So 1 plus 0 means if you add any number with 0, you will get the same number. 1 plus 0 means 1 only you will be getting. So 13 is the answer. Okay. Everyone understood? Children, now it's the time for home fun. Take your companion book. Take your companion book, page number 14. Okay. So 3B, this is the home fun. Draw objects of your choice to complete the addition facts. Group the objects into tens and ones. See, 6 plus 7, they have given. Okay, so you want to draw the objects. Okay, 6 means 6 flowers or 6 stars, 6 circles, anything you can draw. Okay, and 7 means 7. Also you want to draw 7 stars, 7 flowers, 7 circles, like that you have to draw. Then what you have to do? Group the objects into tens and ones. I have shown no? Yes. Like that you want to group as tens and ones and then you have to write the answer. Like that you have to complete this home fun. Okay. Yes. Complete this home fun and upload in your Chrysalis home app. Okay. Yes. Now see here. Take your studio. Page number 47. Now we are going to see the hands-on activity 3.3. Okay. Use beads to add the numbers 7, 9 and 5. They have given 3 numbers. Now we are going to add these 3 numbers using beads. Okay. Now see, group the beads as tens and ones. Group the beads as tens and ones and place the group of tens in the tens bowl. Draw them in the space provided. Now see here. See studio page number 47, hands-on activity 3.3. Group the beads as tens and ones, isn't it? We want to place the group of tens in the tens bowl. Okay, so in pep activity we have Sano. Yes, like that you have to draw a bowl and you want to place only 10 beads in this bowl. Okay, see here. Here itself we can group as tens and ones. See, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this one group. Okay, this is one group of tens and one more group. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is another group of 10. So we grouped 2 tens. That only I have drawn a bowl. So this is one 10 set of bowl and this is another bowl which have 10 beads. Okay, and see only 1 beads we left separately, that is the ones I have drawn separately. So totally how many tens we have, children? This also 10 beads, this also 10 beads. Okay, you can skip count in tens. So 10, 20. Yes, 10, 20, 20 plus 1 beads we have. So 20 plus 1, 21. Yes, very good. Okay, so we get how many tens now? You want to write here in this dash. 2 tens. Yes, very good. How many ones? 1 ones. Yes. Okay, so what is the answer, Kana? 21 is the answer. And this is the addition fact. So you can add. Okay. these three numbers. See, if you add these three numbers, what is the answer you will be getting? The same answer you will be getting, 21. Therefore, the total number of beads is 21. Okay. So, same formula. How we will add 7 in the mind, 9 in the finger. You want to leave 9 fingers in your finger and you want to add. Okay. Like that you want to add, and 21 will be coming. 1 you want to write here and 2 you carry over here in this box. So, already I have said any number if you add with 0, the same number will be coming. So, here we have 2. So, 2 plus 0, 2 is the answer. 21 is the answer. So, take page number 48 like that. See, use which to add the following sets of numbers. So, they have given 3 sums. That one you can do by yourself. Okay, sit along with your parents and do by yourself. See, they have given 3 boxes. In that boxes, you want to write these numbers and you want to do the addition fact. Okay? Yes. Now it's time for home fun, ma. Take your companion book. Take page number 15. 3C is the home fun for you. Okay? Group the objects into tens and ones to find the total. See, first sum they have given 3 rats collected pieces of cheese. Find the total number of pieces they have collected. So, they have given 3 collected pieces. Okay, you want to count in first one. How many cheese are there? You want to write in this box. And this also how many pieces are there? You have to write. And this also how many pieces are there? You want to write. And you can group this as tens. Okay, you can group this as tens and ones and you can write the answer. That will be easy for you. Okay, yes. So, see the second sum also. They have given the pictures. You want to group them as tens and ones and then you want to write the answer. Complete this home fun and upload in your Chrysalis home app. Okay. Now take your studio Kana. Take page number 49. See the activity 3.5. Here also we want to add the following sets of numbers. Okay. Here also we want to add the numbers. See, one sum I will show you. See the first sum, they have given 23 plus 45. So, 23 you want to write in this respective boxes and 45. And see, the plus symbol is there. Plus symbol is important. That means addition. Okay, first you want to add in the ones place. So, 3 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You want to leave 5 fingers and you want to count. Okay, so 8 is the answer. You want to write 8. 2 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 2, see 4 in the finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you want to write 6. Okay, see the second sum. In ones place 0 is there. Okay, and the number 0 is there and 1. So what I said 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay, and the number, see, there is no number. Okay, so you can leave 1 alone your finger, leave 1 finger. So what is the answer? 1 only is there. So that one you can write. Now 5 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 5, 6. 6 is the answer. Like this, you complete this activity and sit along with your parents and complete this. Okay, yes. Now see children, again it's the time for home fun. Take your companion book, page number 16. Okay, yes. See the companion activity 3D, that is the home fun. Add the feathers in each set. Group the single feather into tens. See, for tens they have given this feathers and for ones they have given this feathers. Okay, so how many tens we have? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you want to write 5. But they have given 5 tens already here. And 6 feathers in ones place 6 they have written. Okay, already they have given the numbers. So now what you have to do? Group the single feather into ones. What you have to do? You have to group these single feathers into tens. Okay, yes, you want to group the single feathers into tens. See, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 feathers are there in ones. So now you can group these feathers as a tens. Okay, you will be getting the answer. Like that, this second sum also. What they are telling means group the single feathers as tens. They are asking you to group these single feathers as tens. Okay, complete this home fun. Upload in your Chrysalis home app. Okay, children, complete the home fun. Okay, we can see in the next session. Bye.